Love since a long blonde hair, and then she asked me, "You are alright?" And I say yes. You look wonderful tonight. Go to a party, everyone turned to see this beautiful lady smoking around with me. And then she asked me, "Do you feel alright?" I say yes. I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love lying in your eyes. And I wonder, of these all, is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Time to go home now. And she had said, "Give her the car keys. She has me to pay." And then I tell her, as I turn down the light, I say, "My darling, you are wonderful tonight." Oh, my darling.